Hey there, Boots Owen here. This tumble dryer has been in position here for, I don't know, years now. The door opens this way, which means that you have to kind of reach around it or stand over there to the left to get in to deal with the laundry. But it occurred to me that with a screwdriver, if I just do this, one, two, the door comes off, and then on top of the door there's this little pin. I think if I take it off and put the screw back in, then take out this screw and then put that in there, and there's a little hole for it, and then put that screw back in, and then take these two latch plate screws out. So, I'll put the latch plate over here. I think you can see where this is going. Hopefully you can. And then hang the door over here. Just because of where I am, I've got a stubby screwdriver on the job. Now, this pin on top should go into this hole, and it does. And then the machine should work. And it does. That's the safety thing, to make sure the door is closed before you turn it on. And now it opens the right way. I'm quite pleased with that actually, because that's a simple job, but it's done now. This is a White Knight machine. This will work for pretty much all White Knight machines. I think they're all exactly the same. But it'll also work for loads of other types of tumble dryers, so just have a look at yours and think through taking off the door, taking off the plate, flipping it over and checking if there's any kind of a safety thing that you've got to adjust. Questions or comments, leave them below. If you like the video, one of those would be appreciated. If you haven't subscribed already, think about doing that or become a member of the channel. If this video was helpful to you, think about hitting me up on PayPal or Super Thanks or some other way. Check the messages below and I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. See you later.